Copilot in Sage Accounting. With Sage Copilot, you have a dedicated AI-powered productivity assistant that you can trust to help run your business and share the load. For small businesses, it offers suggestions to enhance savings, drive improvements, and identify potential risks. To get started, log into Sage Accounting. In the summary window, you can view actionable insights which provide valuable information about your business. To view your personalized insights, click here. To take further action or view the information included on the insight, click the relevant one, and you'll be seamlessly redirected to the appropriate area, eliminating the need to navigate to different screens. Find your personalized insights in various areas of Sage Accounting. For example, sales invoices. To view them, simply click on the Insight button. In this example, our personalized insights highlight invoices due in the next week, as well as unallocated transactions. Improve your productivity and balance your accounts by actioning your insights, such as issuing customer statements and payment reminders. This could also include allocating transactions within your contact records, such as payments to invoices or refunds to credit notes. For the purposes of this demonstration, we'll look at which invoices are due in the next week. The sales invoice list is automatically filtered by Copilot, providing all requested invoices in one manageable list. You can then take any appropriate action, such as issuing reminders. To clear the filter applied by Copilot, click here. If you'd like to return to your Insights list, return to the Summary tab. Utilize Copilot to draft and send professional emails to your customers effortlessly. When emailing a sales document to your customer, the option to draft with Copilot appears. Sage Copilot can assist in drafting emails for quotes, estimates, sales invoices, sales credit notes, customer statements, and payment reminders. Once Copilot drafts the email, you can refine this further by clicking here. You can change the length and tone, and choose specific data fields to include for a more personalized experience. To complete the draft message with Copilot, click Suggest New Draft. Find the version that suits you best. You can refine the draft again if you'd like to change the criteria. Or to use the draft on screen, click here. Manually edit the email further if required. Once you're happy, you can send the document directly to your customer. Whether your focus is on cash flow and profitability or improving workforce productivity, you'll be equipped to manage every aspect of your business. Save valuable time and send payment reminders in bulk with Copilot, helping you get paid faster and improve cash flow. To email payment reminders to your customers, navigate to your sales invoice list. Then, select the checkbox for each invoice you'd like to send a payment reminder for. From the Actions toolbar, click here. The selected invoices are confirmed in this section, along with the customer, the email address, and the option to remove the selected invoice. The subject line will automatically include the correct invoice number and the due date on the relevant email. Choose whether to send yourself a copy of each reminder and attach a PDF by selecting or clearing these checkboxes. Write your own generic email message here, or draft the email with Copilot. To send all reminders to the relevant customers, click Send Reminders at the bottom. Your email reminders have now been sent to your customers. Security is at the heart of our AI strategy. Sage Copilot employs robust encryption and compliance with the latest data protection regulations, ensuring your information remains secure and private. You've now learned how Copilot can provide valuable, personalized recommendations so you can make smarter, faster decisions.